Hello, my name is Siabulela Sichongaye and this is my ASP.NET MVC web application called EventEase. As you can see, the application is running locally. This is the home page with cards that will take the user to go see already stored venues, events, and bookings, as well as buttons that will, when clicked, will take the user to forms that will create new bookings, events, and venues. Alright, let's start by creating a new venue. Let's view the venues first. Here we already have a venue saved. The user can make edits as well as delete the venue. Let's start by adding a new venue. As you can see in the application, images are not stored directly in the database. Instead, they are uploaded to Azure Blob Storage, which is designed for storing large files like images, videos, and documents. As you can see, the new venue has been created. Here is the venues controller with all of the functionalities inside. The create edit venue form is the same for creating a new venue and also editing a venue that already exists. Here is the create edit venue that displays venues that have already been created, the view, and the delete functionality as well. Now let's go to events. Here we already have events saved. The user can make edits as well as delete the event. We're going to start by adding a new event. The images here are also stored using Azure Blob Storage. Here is the new event created. Let's quickly see the event controller. Here we also see the Azure Blob Storage being mentioned. Now let's go to the bookings. As you can see, there's a booking already created for Melissa Sweet 16 at Rockets. We can make edits as well as deleting the bookings. The date of the bookings is the date of which the booking has been made. And we can also view the details of the booking, which displays the booking information, which is the booking reference, name, customer email, booking date, as well as event information, the start and the end date of the event, as well as the venue information, the venue name, location, and capacity. Let's click back to bookings. Let's create a new booking. Let's create the booking for David's bachelor party. At Lofted 9. Save booking. We can also search for specific either the reference or the event name. For example, David search, and the booking specifically related to David is then shown. I would like to also demonstrate how the application prevents the user from double booking an event at the same time. So I'll be using David's bachelor party as an example for the 7th of May at Lofted 9. I'll be creating a new event. As you can see, Jacob's party is at the same day as David's bachelor party. So when we try to create a booking, the error message that this venue is already booked for the selected event date will pop up, preventing us from double booking an event at the same time. This is the small section of code that prevents double bookings. I would also like to demonstrate how the application prevents users from deleting events and venues that already have existing bookings. So as you can see, there is a booking already for Melissa's Sweet 16, David's bachelor party, and Jacob's party. So when we try to delete these events that are associated with active bookings, the application will prevent us from doing so. Cannot delete this event as it has existing bookings. So when we do the same for venues, cannot delete this venue as it has an existing bookings. Here is the code that prevents the users from deleting existing events that have existing bookings, as well as the venue. Sorry, here is the code that prevents users from deleting venues with existing bookings. Here we also have Azure Storage Explorer with the venue images container. Let me just refresh and you can see the images that were used are saved here. So if a user wants to delete a venue or an event, they have to delete the existing booking for that specific venue or event. Let us delete this one, this booking reference. So when we try to delete, it will be deleted, as well as the venue Loft at 9. Okay, that is all for my demonstration. Thank you for your time.